It looks so good. It's probably illegal in China. Hey everybody, this is Chingus. Welcome back to Chingus Do Tang. Today I'm going to show you how to do South Virginia haircut. Let's go. Now for South Virginia haircut, you don't gotta get too fancy. All you need clippers, and then you got a variety of so real easy, and I'm going to show you. So first off, we're going alright. Well, how about I find the biggest one? Looks like the biggest one, size 8. I don't know if you see that. Oh yeah, here's size 8 right there. Size 8. So the reason I'm cutting my hair, because I'm going cross country, west side, and I want to look good driving cross country. So all you gotta do, you got your hair, just cut it. I'm halfway there right now. I'm not too long. They're a little short, but cute. And then yeah, you want to shorten that up too. So just take this on the side. That look good. Woo. That look good. I tell you what, that looks pretty good right there. But we ain't done yet. Oh yeah. Now this tricky part, you can't really tell how far you want to go back, but I ain't gonna go. I don't want to go too far, but you better see what I can do. And all this, just that don't belong there, so you just buzz that off right there. Yeah. This part also a little tricky. You can't really tell how far back this goes. So I don't know. You know what? Just go back. Just go back with it. Eh. Yeah, that look good. Now we're gonna start fading the side. Usually, side I don't do anymore. Alright, oh, 3. Yeah, usually for the side, I do 3 at the most, but you know, make sure you clip it clean. Don't worry, I'll show you the final product when I get there. I'll show you the final product. We're gonna do. Oh boy, that is good. You know, kind of hard to make a match, but yeah, ain't gotta be perfect. We still make it look good. Oh, yeah, I gotta even that up. Boy, I'll tell you what, I haven't done my hair this good in quite some time. And, you know, I'm pretty excited to bring this flavor out to the West Coast. Lord knows I don't go west, but you know, better YouTube opportunities over there. So that's what I gotta do. Whatever I gotta do to support my family, you know. Oh yeah, so this is just number 2, 1/4 inch. And you know, just on the side, you start with 3 and go 2 and 1. And guess what? Then go 0. Shit clean. That shit look good. Boy, that's good. I like that. That look good. Alright, so the 2, now just gonna drop down number 1. Alright. Okay, now that's interesting because kind of look like I'm missing a spot from 2 to 1. So what I'm just gonna do, put the two back on. Oh no, I'm gonna do one. Put the extender on. See that? Yeah, let me try that. Get that fade in there a little bit. Well, I think we're ready for the zero. Big zero. Oh yeah. That's good. Yeah, that on tumor, that just cartilage. I just bone big cartilage in my ear. Big old fat one. It's alright. How did that look? Look in. Ooh, oh yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, look like chingus ready for Hollywood. Well, that's how you do a South Virginia haircut. That's all. So, as you see, this the final product. Look pretty good. Let me just tell you my final thoughts on the haircut. This haircut, it looks so good. It's probably illegal in China. This haircut's so American, it probably make Kim Jong-un have another heart attack. This haircut looks so good, it's probably considered a hate crime in California.